With this simple strategy, we will be analyzing each of these assets for the weekend, and we get to see what we can make throughout this weekend. So if you are ready to make something meaningful this weekend, then come along with me and let's do the analysis together. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is Ganex 1200. We are starting with this, and of course I will be using the trend trading strategy. Okay, the trend trading strategy has been a very good strategy for me, and just like you guys have known, consistency in trading matters. Okay, if you are using any strategy and you are not feeling the impact of consistency in it, then you should drop the strategy and follow and learn a new strategy that will give you the consistency in trading. Okay, so that is very, very important. Any strategy you are using that is not providing consistent results, definitely you should drop that strategy and learn a new strategy. So this is trend trading strategy. I've been using this for over a year. I've been using it. The members of my community have also been using it, and it has been giving us amazing results. It is as beautiful as me creating to the extent that it's had to push me to create a custom-made indicator for it, which will help me to analyze the market better using the same strategy. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. So quickly, let's go straight into it right away. So guys, before we start analyzing the charts, quickly explain what the trend trading strategy is all about. Trend trading strategy gives you the opportunity to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. That is it. It is as simple as that. It helps you to move the market within a particular trend. For instance, when these markets got to the resistance zone and it was unable to break out above it, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so at this point, this is the right time for you to jump into the trade, because there was a switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it means that the trend is just starting and you are most likely to milk the market for a very long time, and it's led to all this profit. Okay, let me show you this. The trend actually started from somewhere here, had a pullback around here, but switched back into a downtrend at this point, and it gave us all these profits. Okay, this is on 15 minutes time frame, so you can imagine the profits you would have made right from here to this very moment. Okay, so that's so beautiful. This is 51,706 points. Okay, so you can do your calculations and see how much profits you have made. Okay, so that is what trend trading strategy is all about. So the most important thing here is you identifying the trend, you identifying when the trend is switching, then you identifying your support and resistance, because these are the places where we usually have a switch happening. Okay, so this is very, very important. So right now, this had been on downtrend, got to this support zone, had a pullback, then came back down. It has gotten to a new support zone. So which means the trend for an uptrend is starting right now, or is about to start. The only thing that will force it not to start if the market misbehaved and decide to come down to break down below this support zone. Okay, but if it is not breaking out below it, then definitely it is going to switch into an uptrend fully. Okay, so this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. So if you are online right now, okay, on this live, if you are on this live right now, you can join me open your chart and let's do this together. Gain next 1200 15-minute time frame. If you are having this custom made indicator, you should be seeing exactly what I am saying right now. If you are not having, just follow whatever you have on your chart and follow up with this video. You will also get it. This is at the support region, and these are switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Like I said, the only thing that will not make this to go fully into an uptrend is when the market, or if the market misbehave and decide to break out below this support region. So in order for us to secure our capital, first of all, we need to place an order at this point. Then we put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so in case it decides to misbehave after activating our order, then it will hit our stop loss. We will only be losing a little amount of money, might not even be up to $5, depending on the capital we are using. Okay, so this is the entry point. Now let's set some TPs for ourselves. So for now, I will put the first TP around here, second TP around here, then the third TP around here. Okay, you might be asking why I am setting my TPs like this. If you should notice, it has gotten to this before pulling back. So in case the market is trying to misbehave again, it is possible for you to get there and still pull back again. But if it breaks out from there, then we have more opportunity to milk, because we have free areas here to milk from. Okay, so these are some of the highlighted TPs which we have made known already. Okay, but this is on 15-minute time frame, so all these TPs are not small TPs. They are going to give you good amount of profits. Okay, now let's see more. Let's see if we can set more TPs. Okay, I'm going to divide this area into two. Okay, yeah, so now we've added 2 more TPs to it, making 5 TPs. Okay, but if it should break out from here, then we should know that this should get to this region. Okay, so that's going to be the last TP. Okay, and it's going to be a very long one. Okay, on this particular asset, this is GaineX 1200. This can take hours because this is spikes trading, and of course it can take the whole day. It can take more than 2 days also before it will achieve all. But for spikes, it is usually faster. Okay, so let's move on. So for GaineX 999, still on 15-minute time frame, we are still using the same strategy. These have been on downtrend from here. Okay, like I said, it had been on downtrend and it got to this support zone. So it got there and we set up this trade for ourselves, but after getting here, it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, so before the pullback, it achieved TP1 and TP2 and almost achieved TP3, and it pulled back. So for that, we have made some profit at the moment. So right now it is pulling back. Let's see how far it's going to go. Will it get to the stop loss? If it gets to the stop loss, if it breaks out from there, then it means that it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, then definitely it will still go back up and achieve all these TPs. But we need to get this switching taking place all over again, and that should happen any moment from now. Okay, that is if it will not get to the stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if you are still having this setup, you can keep an eye on this and see how you can re-enter again and keep on trading. So entry point, stop loss, TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that is amazing for GaineX 999. And of course, if it breaks out below this stop loss or below this support zone, then it means that it's still going to sell more, and we will be targeting the next support zone at that point. Now let's check out PayNext 1200. This is also another beautiful opportunity. I remember very well. Actually, this particular asset, we've been milking it back to back within the last 2 weeks. I remember last 2 weeks ago, we started with this downtrend, got to this region, and from there also we started with this uptrend. We finished it last week, and this week we finished it this week, and of course we started this again and came to an end right here, and this also has also gone up. This actually started about 2 or 3 days ago, and of course it has gone up till it got to this region. So I believe this is now going fully into a downtrend. So what should we do? Um let's check out how we can set up our trade again. That should be for the stop loss. This is going to be spikes, so we expect it to come back down, to come down back to this stage, okay, and activate this trade before spiking. So our first TP should be somewhere here. Okay, first TP, second TP, I think this is cool, third TP too. Okay, let me see this. Okay, this is also cool. Then fourth TP. Okay, I'm going to adjust it a bit. This is fourth TP. Then fifth TP also will be adjusted a bit. And this is going to be the sixth TP. Sixth TP, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so these are the highlighted TPs for us this weekend. Okay, the only reason why this will not sell is if the market decides to misbehave and goes back up to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, if there is a breakout from the resistance zone, so it means that it's still going to buy more. Okay, and at that point we will be targeting the next resistance zone. But for now, this is still going on well. We've been giving our entry points, our stop loss, and of course some highlighted TPs which we should follow. Okay, so this is very, very important. You guys should grab the opportunity. Okay, then let's check out Phoenix 999. Okay, the last one we checked out was actually Phoenix 1200. So this setup, we had this setup yesterday on Phoenix 999. These happen to be our entry points, our stop loss. You can see it was activated and gave us a lot of profit, almost achieved the fourth TP, and it came back down, and right now it has achieved it. Yeah, it has just achieved it. Okay, so we still have more TPs to achieve. So we have about 3 TPs highlighted here. So first TP has been achieved, second TP has been achieved, third one has been achieved, fourth one also has been achieved. Okay, it has just been achieved right now, and we still have fifth, sixth, and seventh TPs to go. So I think this is a good one for us. Congratulations to those of you who have actually taken this very serious. Okay, so congratulations to you all, and you can proceed with your TPs and so that you can milk more from that particular asset. That happened to be Phoenix 999. We will have to wait for before we can pick up another signal for this. We'll have to wait until the market or the trend switch from one trend to another. Okay, that is when we can go fully into another set of signals for Phoenix 999. But for now, the last signal is still going on very well. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. Like I said, we've been on this particular asset for a very long time. For more than 2 weeks now, we've been on downtrend. You can see we've been on downtrend for more than 2 weeks, and we've really milked this particular asset for a very long time. At different times, it's tried to break out, to switch into an uptrend, but it kept on going back to break down below the support region. So right now, it is giving us a switching opportunity again. So if I'm to set up any trade for this, I'm just going to put my stop loss here and probably my entry point somewhere here, because I want to be sure if it's really going to go into uptrend fully this time around. Okay, because we have been waiting for this, and we are really prepared and ready to go into uptrend, because it's going to be a massive one if that actually happens. So since it is giving us green light again, let's see if this will work out. Okay, but as you can see, I didn't put my entry points right here immediately. I put it somewhere here because of the ranging area here and here. Okay, so I want to know if it will break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then it can activate this entry point and probably will give me some profits. For now, I will just highlight a few profits for myself, okay, because I need to be sure of what the markets will give. Okay, TP1 sets, so TP2 sets, TP3, let me leave it at 4 for now. Okay, this is the fourth one for now. Okay, because I really want to be sure if this is going to switch into an uptrend fully. Okay, so if it tries to go into an uptrend, I believe it should achieve TP1, 2, 3, and if possible the fourth TP also. And if it truly want to go fully into an uptrend, then it should be getting to somewhere here. Okay, so probably more TPs will be highlighted. Of course, there will be pullbacks in between, but that's going to be a juicy one if this really goes fully into an uptrend. So guys, these are what we have for the weekend. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of it right from there. So if you are not taking any action, then you're sitting on the fence. Okay, so it's better you take an action and see how you can milk out from this. Okay, I will also try and send some of these things to the Telegram channel for those that are on the Telegram channel, so that they too can also benefit from it. So if you are not on the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join right away. Okay, because that's the only way I can help my community. Okay, I've decided to create a custom made trading tool for you guys. So for those that can get it, they should contact me on WhatsApp, and of course I will help them to install it on their chat. And for those that can't do that at the moment, okay, I also drop apart from the analysis I'm doing in my videos for free, okay, I also drop free trading signals within the Telegram channel, so you can also follow that also. Okay, just that those that are having this custom made indicator, sometimes they get to see some of this signal right from the beginning, even before I post it on the Telegram channel. So you might be entering very late on the Telegram channel, so that's just the little difference. But even with what you are saying on the Telegram channel, you can still make something meaningful for yourself right from there. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join right away. The link is right there in the description box below this video, and I'll pin it down to the comment section also, so you can search for it within the comment section and click on the exact link. It will take you down to the Telegram channel. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, kindly drop your question for me right there in the comment section. And if you like this video, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share it with friends and family. You can also send message to me on WhatsApp, most especially if it has to do with the custom made trading tool. Send message to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.